All right, guys. Well, we're in the shop, and you've seen us working in the hay barn. Well, you've seen me working in the hay barn. We're gonna try to set up those two pens for the lambs, but I want to put that slag in the base, spray it down, and tamp it in there. That stuff sets up like concrete, so that should be good enough for the sheep. I got to do some woodwork, put new doors on the side. A couple gates on the inside, and I'm also going to get the floor in for the other area for the chicken coop. So I got all the slag here. I got 20 ton of it. Hopefully it will do enough, or that will do everything that we need. It's pretty big load. This stuff goes pretty far. So also, you see me setting up the brooder. We got turkeys. Well, I just got the turkeys. See me set the turkeys in there, dunk them in water. And chickens, there they are. So there's 12 of those. Those are for 4-H. We'll take those to the fair. Well, we'll take like 4 of them to the fair. And then the chickens are showing up in the morning. Like I said, we have a friend that goes and gets them at the hatchery, so they don't have to make that ridiculous ride with the mailman, because I'm sure they get beat around. So best chance is to just pick them up at the hatchery and bring them home. So those will be here tomorrow morning, and they'll go in this bigger part. Now there's 60 of those. Once I get the hay baler done, which I'm pretty close, I am real close to getting the hay baler done. Like I showed you before in the previous video, I am in process of putting new pickups on there. I probably got 10 more to do, and I can move the baler up, and then I can expand this brooder for now, so it'll go probably another 4 foot, 5 feet out. I'll move all this stuff forward, and that's where they'll live for 8 weeks until they go. So that's what's been going on. Tomorrow we got another good day of weather. Hopefully, I got baseball tomorrow. Son's got a game. But after that, hopefully I can get the other side of that barn done for the pens, and then I can start working while it's raining this weekend on the inside, getting all the gates up and getting it prepped for them to stay in there. I got to run power out there. I'm not going to be able to run water for right now. I'll just run a hose out there for now, because they'll be the only animals other than the chickens, and the chickens aren't that bad. We just got to water those guys twice a day. So I'll just get a hose and run it out there. It's not a big deal. So, but anyways, guys, I'll show you guys the chickens when they come tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So I'll catch you in a little bit. All right, guys, well, we got our chickens in finally. They are called Super Roaster broilers. There's 60 of them. We also got 12 new layers to add to our flock, because our flock is somewhat aging, so we needed to replace a few of them if we wanted to maintain some of the maintain eggs anyhow. So, but we got 2 Barbrock, 2 Wellington, and a couple other ones. I'm not sure on the other ones, but yeah, so we'll raise them in here, and then we'll throw them out there when they get to a point. But they always bundle up. Like, this is what I said about when they do that, they end up smashing each other, and it's not good. So hopefully they go underneath the brooder. There's a couple of them under there, but we'll see. Well, anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And also go over to Facebook and check out the webpage there. The link's down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.